In this video, we're gonna understand how to automatically export result report. Guys, result report is very important for us. And you know that you can see that report only at runtime. But let's say I want to store that report. I want UFT to automatically export it after every execution. If you want to implement this, you'll go to Tools, Options. So by default, in the new version of UFT, you can see HTML report selected. But in the older version in QTP, you will see this option over here. We will choose this. Click on automatically export run result when run session ends. We'll click on this. Here you have option to configure it. Let's say I want to see it in PDF file. How you want format to be? Short, detailed, user defined. I want to see it in detailed form, so I'm choosing it. I also want data of data table. That means data coming from parameterization. And here you will give location where you want your exported files to be stored. So you can choose it from here, change the location. I am providing D drive over here. Also by default you have this option as selected, that is export run results only if run session fails. If you want to see only that data when the session is failing, when your steps are failing, when your test case is failing, then you can check it. Otherwise, if you uncheck it, it will export report for every test case, whether it is failed or it is passed. We keep it checked only in the cases, let's say I am performing regression testing and I want to see that whether my previously passed test cases are failing or not due to any changes done by developer. So I can just keep it checked for that case, that export run result only if run session fails. For this particular example, I'm unchecking it and I'll click on OK. Close this. Let's see how it worked. I'm going to execute this recording. Guys, this recording I've done for login module. Enter agent name, password and click on OK button. So I'm going to execute it. It enter agent name, password, open the flight application. It's exporting the run result. This is your normal result viewer. It's not coming in HTML format as you used to see before, because I've chosen other format, that is run result viewer. So let's see when the result get exported how it looks. We'll go to D drive. So look at this. This is my report for result. It has all the options, all the steps, all the test data, everything is stored in it. If you want to read it, look at this. Test, name of the test case. Product name is Micro Focus Unified Functional Testing. This is the version. Result name, it is auto-generated. This is host name, operating system, everything will be stored here. Now iteration, this is only one iteration. I'm not performing parameterization in this case, so that's why iteration is only one. Here you have action summary. Also you have steps. Step name, look at this. First is agent name set, value you are entering is John. Here password we are entering this is secured format. And then we clicked on OK button. So guys, this is what your format is. So guys, this is how you can automatically export your test result reports. These are very helpful whenever your test case fail. You want to check what test data we have passed. Let's say you have just joined the company and these test cases have already recorded. You want to see what are the test data, how it worked. Reports are very important for you. So if you want to generate reports automatically, this is how we do it. That's all for this video. Thanks for now.